Hello everyone, this is Aman Khan. Finally, July market has been released. I have a great information for you guys and some depressing news, but some good news as well. The first good news, the July performance, the July data of the total transaction was amazing since 2021. That is strong performance of July 2025 since 2021 had never had this kind of data. So almost, let me tell you how many house has been sold just in a month of July. 6,100. That was since July 2021. So I'm just talking about the performance of July month. And every month, if you just check the data, the number of transactions, the sales price stability, everything is amazing, guys. The market is improving, market is getting better every day and slowly, not like, crazy, okay? So this is again, is a buyer market. It's a huge opportunity for the buyers. I'm telling you, do not miss this opportunity, guys. Otherwise, you're gonna regret. Now let's come to the point and let me explain you all the data, okay? And this sales and market activity, just like I mentioned, is the percentage-wise, the market data since last July to this July is gone up by 13%. So sold of the houses has gone by 13% up. And the price trend, if you just compare from the last year, July, price is gone down by 5.5%, which is the average price is now 1,051,000. But if you check the month over month, it still is much better. Like I said, it's improving, guys. Always check my previous the YouTube channel as well. And the inventory, you will be surprised to know the inventory. Last month I mentioned 31,000 and almost 600 listing was there, active listing. This month, the active list came down, okay, almost 30,215. So if you just compare from the last month, it came down. But if you compare from the last year, it's gone a little bit up, but still it's getting better. It means it is a sign of stability, sign of it's an improvement. It's getting better, guys. Okay. Again, I'm just keep reminding you, all the buyers, do not miss the opportunity. So I'm gonna share the market snapshot overall. Okay. The sales volume, I already mentioned a few times, 61,000 units has been sold compared to last year 10.9% and compared to an year over year 13%. So last month, the difference between last month sold and this month sold 10.9%, almost 11%. And average selling, I already mentioned, 1,051,000. And benchmark price $979,000. Check the number from the month over month is 0.2%. It came down, and year over year is 5.4%. And active listing is already mentioned, 30,215 active listing we have at the moment. So buyers have a lot of opportunity to go and check all the inventory, and you don't have to be in rush. Just take your time before finalize any house. And inventory trend slightly dipped from the June peak. So it's a little bit much better situation compared to last month. So my advice to buyers, now affordability is getting better. Improvement. The affordability, monthly cost for the mortgage and all the cost based is getting much better. And because the prices is getting better, and buyers now have more negotiation power and more inventory available for buyers to decide which one they should go and purchase it. For the sellers, price your home correctly, guys. Don't overprice. Don't try to the price of your house of 2022. Now, right now, you are sitting in 2025. Please make sure your agent educates you properly, and please do not overprice. You wanna have more showing of your house. You don't wanna nobody's coming to see your house. I mean, the only way you can sell your house only by showing. Stage properly. Don't do cookie cutter when it's come to the staging. Make sure that you have the proper staging, and make sure that you have a proper virtual tour, not just pictures. Have proper videos. Have an tour, so people can go, instead of coming to your house, they can also see your house even before coming to house. So there's a lot of products available. Make sure that you provide complete package to the sellers, and it's very important. For any information, talk to professional full-time active agent before you list your house or before you buy a house. And for the condo market, I'm going to share some great information about the condo market as well for the buyers. So now I'm going to share the snapshot of the condo market, of the GTA condo market. But if you like to know area wise, what is the condo market, how is condo market in Mississauga, how is condo market in the Oakville, how is the condo market in Burlington, make sure that you call me then, okay, for those customized market snapshot. So right now the average condo price is 651,000. Guys, again, the price wise, if you compare from the last year, price came down by 9.4%. This is a huge price that came down. I mean, it can go wrong. I'm not sure what are you waiting for. I'm telling you, just make sure go and get the best condo, especially the space wise. This is the price for the I remember that this is the price for the bachelor apartment in a downtown. Now you can get 2 + 1 bedroom to full washroom, in $651,000 to $700,000. Sales volume is last year month of July, how many condos was sold? Almost 1,576 condo has been sold. So if you just check all the statistic and all my YouTube previous recording, the buying transaction is going up, people are purchasing. So right now from the July to this month, from June, year over year, the transaction gone by 6.3%. The inventory, still we have inventory of 7-month inventory. Just imagine, we have 7-month inventory. 7-month inventory is a buyer market. As soon as you go down to 4.5 month of inventory, it will change into balanced market or seller market. And price trend since 2023, minus 15% to 20%. If anybody have purchased the condo in 2023, the price gone down by 15 to 20%. So you can imagine the opportunity you have at the moment, okay? And again, if you have any question regarding the real estate, make sure that you contact me, or I have all the information on the YouTube. I make sure, please, if you like this the information, please share with your friends and family and like my channel. Thank you very much for watching.